Hello, viewers, and welcome to another session of Architectural Plan. In the last session, we created axes, which are the initial part of any architectural layout. In the next step, today, we will see how we can assign names to any architectural plan. We will simply start by creating text. We will place them at an approximate distance inside these circles. Once we have placed it, we can assign it any name like A, B, C or 1, 2, 3. Here, the alphabets are being copied. In my opinion, the way these alphabets are being copied is incorrect. The best way should have been with the use of snap object center point active, and then the alphabets must be copied and pasted with reference to the center of these circles in order to avoid this type of haste. As you can see, one is struggling to place each alphabet in the exact direction. The same is the case here with the copy paste towards the bottom side. One could have used the mirror command, or another way should have been copying with reference to the first circle. However, both approaches have given the same results, but we always strive to give best and in least time. Some approaches give same results, but they take more time. So those are the unrecommended. Same is the case here. If they would have been copied with the reference of the center of circle, it would have been really easy. The horizontal axes are usually assigned with numbers like 1, 2, and 3. However, the vertical axes are given alphabets like A, B, C, and D. Now you can see the letters are being moved in order to get them to an approximate center. So in this session, we can learn that with simple and very elegant technique of copying with reference to snap object center active, this job could have been done in at least half of the time. Now all the left side circles have been assigned with a specific name. Again, they are being copied. Now this is a bit better approach. They could have been mirrored as well, since we know the exact point against which they have been sliced. So we could have used mirror as well. Now let's see how we could have done it in another approach. But first we need to turn off some layers. so that we get a better and clean view. From here, we can turn off or turn on layers one by one, but in layer properties, we can do it all together. What we have to do is hold Control key and press A, but then we have to turn off this light bulb. Now, whichever layer is required, that could be easily turned on by clicking on this light bulb icon. Like here you can see, we have got the circles. Let's turn on another one. For example, we want to see the names. Now let's see my approach. First, we select and write whatever we want. Like here, I have written the word X. Let's remove the other words from all vertical and horizontal circles. Once we are done with removing all the numbers and letters, we will see how we can place it to an approximate distance, and then we have to copy just like this with reference to each circle. Now you can see how perfectly they are being copied. Now if we want them to be copied exactly the same way towards the below side, we can do the same step like this. Same is the case here if we want to do it with these horizontal axis names. Now let's select all of them that are on the left side, and again we have copied them towards the right side. So you can observe that the task which was being done in almost 6 minutes have been compiled and completed in just 2 minutes. Therefore, it is a better and more convenient way to complete your task. So, this was all about this session. Here we have seen a better and convenient way to complete the task, where we assign some alphabets to the vertical axis and some numerics to the horizontal axis. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.